AI is no longer a future technology. It is here, it is right now, and it is shaping the way that we work and the way that we live.
They do feel smart. It is easy to be amazed when a parrot talks back and you go, wow, that parrot speaks English. That's amazing.
And it did it. And that was just this amazing moment, because that is a very, very complex constraint satisfaction problem where it had to keep track of a lot of nuanced detail.
As soon as we open sourced it, my inbox started overflowing with feedback.
I don't see how we get the exciting AI future if we don't figure out the responsible AI piece.
I'm excited about AI, but let's all just chill.
As developers, you're not just coding, you're shaping the future.
Foundation models have such amazing capabilities.
And then I got autocomplete, and then I got IntelliSense, and now I've got spicy autocomplete.
We see the potential of AI to change how we do everything, right? How we communicate with other people, how we work, how we have fun.
For people who want to create their own language, the standard recommendation is go take some rest and wait for the feeling to pass.
There has never been a better time to dive in. So, welcome to the Global AI Bootcamp 2025.